Madam Chair, and I know the State of the Union is tomorrow night, and I'm sure we'll hear all kinds of claims from the President. But let me tell you what regular Americans think is the State of the Union right now. God awful. People are watching their neighbors getting kidnapped by masked agents. People are getting shot in the street, and people are getting crushed by costs. Groceries are up, rent is up, health care is up, child care is up, college is up, energy bills are up. Everything is more expensive. And when millions of Americans can't even afford a home, House Republicans keep showing up here with bills about home appliances. I mean, this is like the 12th time that we've been asked in this committee to advance measures about dishwashers or shower heads while families can't afford a down payment. And the worst part is these bills would actually raise utility costs for consumers. One of these bills is called the Homeowner Energy Freedom Act. If Republicans want to talk about real freedom, here's what freedom would look like. Freedom from price gouging at the grocery store, freedom from rent hikes, freedom from medical debt, freedom from a Trump economy that rewards the biggest corporations and sticks working people with the bill. Speaking of sticking people with the bill, let's talk about Trump's tariffs, because tariffs are really just an additional tax on Americans. On Friday, the Supreme Court ruled that Trump did not have the authority to impose these sweeping tariffs under IEPA. The court struck them down. Now, there's a huge question, over $165 billion, about refunds for money the government collected illegally. The Trump administration said, and I quote, "If we lose the case, people will get their money back," end quote. Well, the administration lost. And now Trump's team is signaling they're going to fight the refunds in court and slow walk the whole thing. That's exactly the point. Republicans can find endless time to obsess over stoves and microwaves, but they won't lift a finger to make sure the money Trump took illegally actually gets back to the people he overcharged. That's the choice in front of us. Not appliances, but affordability. And Republicans are failing. And with that, I yield back.
Thank you, Mr. McGovern. Without objection, any prepared statements our witnesses may have will be included in the record. I now welcome our panel, Representative Weber and Representative Castor, from the Committee on Energy and Commerce. Your full statement will be submitted for the record, and we ask you summarize your statement in 5 minutes. We ask you address all of the legislation within your jurisdiction in your 5 minutes. Representative Weber.